Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, June the 10th, 2021. We have only one regular Sudoku, and this one is a medium Sudoku. And in this newspaper, there's also an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are 8 extra Sudokus. So let's get started with this baby. All right, and this one will be number 2924. All right, 2924. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, I've already counted. There are 27 printed digits. So, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars in the additional, this will be a 1 star. And for a 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. We see here 6 and a 3 in this row, 6 and a 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 6 and the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. 4 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, we have another 4 in this column, so no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. Alright. Then, how about the number 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So there will be 3. The only place for the 9 should be there. Then, let me see. How about the number? Yeah. The one in the 3rd row, the one in the 2nd row. So in the 1st row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers in the 1st row. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square. So no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 1st row. 7 in the 2nd row. So in the 3rd row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 7. How about the number? The 4 in this column, the 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only place for the 4 should be there. Then let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. Then. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. The other 2 numbers in this column should be the numbers 1 and 5 we have 1 and 8. 1 and 8. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there, 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digits number 1, number 1. Alright. Alright. 295. Okay. Okay. 4, 2. Well. 2, 5. Alright. 6. 6. So here should be the 6. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 4 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 2 is missing. And look, we have a 6 and a 4 here in this column. So no 6 and a 4 in this box. The 6 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Yes. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 2. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. We see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 3. Yes, 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 8 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. Then 4. 2, 4, 6. Okay. Well. 2, 8, 2, 8, and 5. Yes, 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So that column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 2. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 6. 1 number left in the last column for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 9. No. We have a 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 8 are missing. We see there's 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 2 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 249. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. Alright. Then how about let me see, how about the the 2 in this row, the 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 9 and 4, we have a 9 there, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this row, third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 1 number left in the first row for the number 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. 3 in this column, 3 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there, and all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. All right, can I do this for the 2? And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. All right. 2 numbers left in the last row. Wait. I see here a 5. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 6. 1 number left in the last row for the number 7. 7 is missing. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 8 are missing. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. We see here and 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 9 goes there. Finished in 12 minutes. Correct. Faster than 50 minutes, and I'm very pleased with the time, and I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Yeah, is it easy? So yeah, not easy enough, I think. Don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe, and hit that bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you soon with the extra Sudokus. Bye bye for now.